Imagine, if you will, the year is 2046. The date, February 14th, Valentine's Day. A day synonymous with love, affection, and celebration. But on this day, for far above us, in a vast expanse of space, something extraordinary is about to unfold. A silent, seemingly unsuspicious visitor traveling through the dark void is heading towards Earth. This celestial body, a rogue asteroid no larger than a football field, suddenly emerges from the depth of space. It is a solitary traveler, one that has spent millions, if not billions, of years journeying through the cosmos. Its path is unrelentless, its destination fixed, and it is heading straight for us. At first glance, the asteroid appears harmless, a mere speck in the great expanse, easily overlooked among the stars. But as it draws closer, the enormity of the situation becomes clear. This is no ordinary rock. This is an ancient traveler, carrying with it raw power of the universe. A power that could alter the course of life on Earth forever. For most of us, we will be unaware of the danger until it is almost too late. The asteroid is moving at a staggering speed, but even as it enters our atmosphere, it seems almost as though time slowed down. The sky darkens as the cosmic intruder make its descent, and in that moment, we are reminded of how fragile our existing truly is. As the asteroid plunges through the atmosphere, the air around it begins to ignite. A brilliant fireball streaks across the sky, its fairy tale a reminder of the forces at play. Within seconds, the asteroid will hit the Earth with a force that will unleash the power of a small nuclear bomb, transforming the landscape forever. The impact will be catastrophic, but not without purpose. For in the grand scale of the universe, this collision is simply another chapter in the story of Earth's existence. It is unpredictable, ever changing dance of celestial bodies, the natural forces that shape our planet, and all the life that it calls its home. Though the odds of this event occurring are small, it serves as a reminder that we, too, are just one moment in the vast and ever turning wheel of time. But whether it be on a grand scale like this asteroid or in a smallest of everyday's moment, it is fragility of life that makes it precious. As we look to the future, we must continue to observe, to understand, and to prepare. For universe in all its vastness holds both wonders and dangers. And on February 14th, 2046, one of those dangers will come to us in a way we cannot forget. As the asteroid races towards us, scientists across the globe will work tirelessly, tracking its trajectory, attempting to understand its path. But the truth is, there's little they can do.